After procurement, production is the next step in the industrial process. With manufacturing at the core, production truly is creating value through the conversion and transformation of materials. Production activities may include things which you'd immediately consider, such as manufacturing, assembly, kit construction. But it's also important to recognize the role that design, planning, and process management and improvement have, as well as these other facets of production. In manufacturing, we look to answer 3 business questions. What should we produce? When should we produce it? And how much should we produce? Production planning and production control are your key levers in answering these questions. The state motto of our neighboring Carolina to the south is prepared in mind and resources. It's also a great way to capture the mission of production planning. From process to inputs, strong production planning is vital to the success of any manufacturing operation. Once we're ready to begin production, control of that process, or truly the orchestrated myriad of processes, becomes the domain of production control. 2 key outcomes of a strong production control system can be efficiency and quality. You may know production control by several other names, all of which have rapidly become buzzwords from their initial introduction. From Kaizen to Kanban, these concepts are interesting, but be warned. It's best to stay calm and try and identify areas where they're relevant to you as a small or medium-sized manufacturer. For example, implementing a Kanban system on the shop floor may be far more applicable to your organization than investing in Six Sigma training or control tower technology solutions. Just as it's important to measure performance in procurement, the production environment offers even more metrics or key performance indicators to consider. Here are a few, but not all KPIs you may want to consider across the 3 elements of measure: utilization, performance, and quality. Digitization can also help a manufacturing operation to improve overall quality, efficiency, and sustainability, as well as reinforce the profitable creation of value during the production stage. Here are some additional potential benefits. The production phase may be one of the areas where innovation and technology disruptors may provide the most impact or offer the most potential to change how we manufacture things today. Already important to the design and testing process, rapid prototyping, 3D printing, and CAD design are making the process more efficient. Other advances in materials, process, and data collection or analysis will undoubtedly contribute to the future of manufacturing. These may seem like big concepts, but it's good to ask yourself, are there parts of our operation where these could help us improve? In addition to technology, software solutions can provide great benefit to the production phase. From general monitoring and tracking to providing alerts and warnings, small and medium-sized manufacturers should consider where software may make a meaningful impact on your operation. Just as with procurement, achieving digitization in production is a commitment and a process. Here are 7 key things to remember during that journey. We've compiled a top 10 list of questions to ask yourself about your production activities and processes today. Of course, these are not the only questions to ask, but they'll help you get started.